Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? What's going on this time? The Stellar XLM price will be pumps up, but here I found something very special information for all Stellar XLM. Therefore, the condition is going very critical now because all crypto market is not comfortable. So, if a crypto market is not comfortable, so therefore the price will dumps down. So, try to understand, holder. Let's get started a brand video. But please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Here, as you can see, my friend, the change occurring. So, in last 1 hour and last 7 days, change occurred positive. That is the average, my friend. You can see here every coin will moving sometime upwards, sometime fails down. So therefore try to understand the circulation of every coin, my friend, is moving like that. To after a dump they will pump, and after a pump they will dump. So try to understand. In last 24 hour minus 2.52%, very bad change occurring, you can see here in the price. But here, as you can see, market cap, the market cap is increasing now. So therefore, my friend, I hope my friends too, they will give you a profit, because if a market cap is increasing, so absolutely the price will be increasing. So kindly holders, try to understand. Just and only, my friends, don't see the change occurring. See sometime the market cap, my friends, circulating supply. This all is very important for any coin now. So try to understand before you take any decision, my friend. Research personally, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, everywhere research personally, and after that take a decision to what people says, what expert says. This is very important for you if you are to get a very good profit. So my brother, remember, to every stake channel, one of the unique YouTube channel, they will give you a real advice. Remember, not a financial video. They will never make a financial video. So just and only for you, my friend, I advise. So please, minus 2.65% never fails down. So does not mean to you are starting selling. Yes, my brother, my personally experience tell us this does not mean to starting selling. If they were fails down, this is temporary fails. I am 100% sure to after this fail they will also take a very huge jump. So why you are starting selling? You will need to hold down. I hope, my friends, Stellar XLM will give you a very good profit and they will make you a millionaire. See you next time, Stellar XLM holder. Kindly holders, please, my prediction is 100% going positive. I already predicted this coin in very shortly, but please, holders, don't starting selling. Hold it. I hope in upcoming days they will pumps up. So Allah Hafiz, take care, but please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent update videos.